morning, guys. Dexter with Essential Pressure Washing. I am in Groveland, Florida for a driveway cleaning, and we're gonna do the front facials on this house here. Show you what we have. 2-car driveway. Of course, in the sidewalks from property line, right there where my green hose is, going down to where the ropes are on that bush. We got some green up there on the faces of the house, or on that hardy board. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that garage lid. We're gonna do that front across there. You see we have some green. We have some green up there. Okay, we'll take care of that. This side here is okay. Yeah, so it'll just be that. And we'll do the sidewalk, tanning stain, so we will pre-treat. And those are oil stains. If those are oil stains, they will lighten up. They will lighten up, but they will not move. Not an oil stain. We are going to do the street gutters because I had a 19-inch out, so we'll do the street gutters as well. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are, guys, with the 19-inch surface cleaner, and we're gonna hit some patterns here. I like to do patterns, and if I have the opportunity, I start with the apron, which is to the bottom right here. Our mix has already did its job. It took about 3 to 4, maybe 5 minutes. The mix did its job, and you can see now from the angles that we're showing here with the cleaning that the chemical has did its job. So the surface cleaner come over the top and it takes off that layer and it brightens it up immediately without even rinsing so forth. We're doing this gutter right here. Going to do this gutter line right fast. Then we're going to come back and get the sidewalk and get the other part of the sidewalk on the other side of the apron. Going to get that stuff done up and clean real nice. Small driveway, so we kind of play with it multiple different ways here. I had put a little treatment on the front of the house, and I'm going to have to retreat that because I had some really thick algae. Look at there, 10 gallon a minute. I let my hand get off of that surface cleaner, and it topped over, and it twisted my wrist. But anyway, we're back. We're doing the sidewalk. I clean it up. You can see the driveway is really dirty with grass in the cracks of it, but it's going to come out excellent with only a 1% mix. I did go over it a couple of times with the 1% mix, but that's a light mix. I wet the grass and the edges before I started, and I'm also going to do a little wetting the grass with the pressure washing hose just to make sure everything stays basically hydrated. The grass stays hydrated and it won't burn up or won't die. This is a driveway we got to in the morning, so that's a good thing. The grass was already wet from the morning dew, and then we put some more water on it. So with our mix, it's not going to hurt anything up. We're getting this sidewalk right here done. After we get that sidewalk done, we're going to do a little rinsing action for you. Only a 1% mix. I bumped it up to a 2% to go back over the front of that house because the algae was a little thicker up there. But far as this driveway is concerned, sidewalk is concerned, that's only a 1% mix. and we got it nice and clean. Everything is all uniformed, and it's going to come out great. You will see. We're going to play a little music for you right here. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let me show you the finished product now. It's all done and cleaned up. The driveway is wet and drying, but as you can see, the algae is gone. We just put a post treatment down. Put a post treatment down on it. So the post treatment is drying. The green algae that was up there is gone. Walkway here is nice and clean. Had some tannin stains, we got those gone. Okay, we had algae up there. Nice and clean now. Clean driveway and walkway. It's gonna dry up later on this afternoon. It'll be nice and bright before the rain comes. That's where the neighbor is just cutting the grass at. We got all that done. Hit some of the gutter line out here. Another beautiful result. Stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching.